How to fix not everyone can message this Facebook account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. So if you are thinking that not anyone can message me, why it's happening, then you should go on your Facebook. Make sure it's updated to the latest version. So it happens when you make your account private and lock your account. So if you have locked your account, go on the three horizontal lines right here. So you will see the very option of profile status right here. So if it's locked there, then make sure that it is disabled and it's unlocked. This way others can send you the messages without any request. They can send you request if they are not friends as well. But while you are trying to send the messages to other person but it's not working, then it can be the problem as like you go on the Google Play Store and your messenger is not updated to the latest version. So go to the Google Play Store, search for messenger right here and make sure it's updated to the latest version and open it. But if it still does not work, then just long press on the messenger application. On the eye icon, when you go there, you will see the storage option. While you scroll down a little, now you need to clear all the data and clear all the cache from here. Now open your messenger application again and it should work. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.